Hey guys, it's me again, and you're gonna see my son walking by too. Chad, wave. So you had so many questions about Zoom, and I don't want you to be confused. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this video as well. When you will get an email on Monday, and it will have your link for your class, and it will have the time. Now you are going to need to download Zoom if you want to Zoom on your phone. It's an app. It's free. I will, before Wednesday, not before Monday, but before Wednesday, I'll give you a link that will, it's how to use Zoom. It's not hard. You guys are so techie in your generation. I bet you had an easier time with it than a lot of us teachers did. But I've just gotten a lot of emails, and that's great. Please email me. But you will be getting a schedule for the Zoom thing, but you can go ahead and download Zoom if you'd like. You can't join the meeting, obviously, until it starts, and you will have a class time on the schedule you get Monday, okay? So, everybody have a great weekend. I guess we're doing stay-at-home orders starting Monday, so make sure that you get creative with games and activities with your family. Again, I really miss you, and don't stop the emails from coming if you have further questions, but don't stress out too much about Zoom. We will have more information on that. Okay? All right. Have a great weekend and love you guys. And miss you again. Bye.